Boss, planning to buy a car this month. Honda BRV S base model or Toyota Avanza G top of the line. Thank you, boss. Nako, maganda to. Zypher, shoutout sa'yo. Tara, sagutin natin. So, even though this is a battle between base model versus a top of the line, this really does make sense because si Honda BRV S base model is priced at around 1,100,000 something, and then Toyota Avanza G top of the line is also around that range, 1,100,000. So both of them around 1.1 million. Is just a matter of can you live with the differences between the two of these. Major difference lang talaga ng dalawang to is what? It's features. Toyota has always been packed with features, yung value for money nila, no? On the other hand, si Honda medyo may tinatanggal silang features or may mga di sila nilalagay na features. At that price din, medyo mataas yung price nila. But of course, they're banking on their reliability and mas solid na build quality. The Toyota Avanza has very impressive jam-packed features like reverse camera, rear sensors, blind spot monitoring, and then meron din siyang long sofa mode. Space as well. I'll also give it to Avanza. Blind spot monitors is also a very helpful feature. So aside from the blind spot monitoring and the rear sensors, which again I think you can live with as a driver, no, everything else is gonna be good enough for the Honda BRV base model. Meron naman siyang reverse camera, which is a non-negotiable, at least you have that. And then meron din siyang Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Both of them has this amazing feature. So yun, as a car owner, I think I can live with a Honda BRV talaga. Reliability wise, I think pareho namang respetado Toyota tsaka Honda, diba? It's between the two of these. But on our experience, I'll give it to Honda in terms of super duper long term. Mas mahirap, mas makuna talaga, mas solid talaga si Honda. Now, if ako yung bibili as a Veloz owner, like I always say before, na kung wala lang talaga yung mga features, mga extra luxury things ni Veloz, that's what you're gonna be getting with Avanza. So if parang hindi mo naman trip si Veloz, and then yun nga, with a price point 1.1 million, I think I'm gonna be going with Honda BRV as for this one. Not to mention power din, super duper more powerful or class leading nga si Honda BRV on this regard. So yan, sana nakatulong. Follow for more.